Alright, I've been asked to explain this a few times, so I'm going to make a little video of it so everybody sees what's going on here. This is a 1-inch pipe that I'm using. These are the pieces you'll need. You'll need 2 caps, a T. How you convert it into something smaller like a 3/8 ID is up to you. Need to make a couple cuts in that pipe. You'll need 2 90-degree elbows. The way we're going to assemble this, and we're also going to need this piece of tubing as well. We're going to assemble this. I'm going to try to do it one-handed here for you, like this. Obviously, I'm going to go back through, take this apart, and glue it all together. Now, one of the things that's important is because this is going to be the inside of your tank, this is the siphon side, this needs to be lower than this side, or you will always siphon all the water out of this and you'll constantly have issues with it. And the further towards the bottom of the tank you can get it, the more siphon you're going to have. Now, after we've got it like this, you're going to need to drill holes. I've already done that on this one. You drill it right at the connection line between the 90 and the straight pipe that goes into the tank. Then you're going to have to have 2 holes, on the top here. And what we're going to do, we've cut our pipe, put a little 90-degree on the pipe so it doesn't sit flat against the bottom of this. You're going to push it all the way down till it touches the bottom in there, okay? And then we're going to take this other side and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to push it all the way down till it touches the bottom. You're going to have a little bit of loop like this, right? So now to prime this, you have to take this piece out. You'll have to fill it full of water. So you're just going to dunk this whole thing in the tank and fill this full of water right here. After that's full of water and you have water inside of this right here, as you tilt it up and you set it into the tank like this, water is going to go into this inlet, go down to the bottom, and get siphoned through this tube, and then it's going to come out that fitting right there. And because the water is entering here, so long as your water level is right there, you're never really siphoning or pulling water out of the tank, so your water level never gets lower. As the water level raises by your auto water change system, it gets to a level where it drains into this, down, and then up through this clear pipe, out to the other side, and then out here to your wastewater. This is a working one right here. You can see it's got water inside of it. This one's been in use for quite some time. And yep, in fact you can see it still has water in it. It's ready to go. All I have to do is take this right here, since the water is already in the tube, all I have to do is take this from one tank, hold my finger over the end here so water doesn't come out, take it to another tank, plug it into the drain line there, set it in, and it's ready to rock. It's ready to go. So, any questions? Just ask.